So we've got our awning fitted now. That's quite easy. Confusion about the bracket, so I thought I may have put on the wrong way around, but that was my stupidity, never reading the manual. Read the manual to find out I did it correct. It was just getting the awning to sit on top properly. Once I figured that out, it's easy. Only downside is we've got a big bar to put somewhere, which will sit in the back somewhere.
Yeah, need to find a place for it.
Finding a cubby hole for it.
Yeah.
So, what we're doing, we are fitting the awning here. So what I've done is I put holes to match these four on the bottom of these sheets of metal, and I've painted the sheets of metal to try and stop them rusting. And then once they're all painted up, they're going up onto the awning and they're going to look like this. So hopefully when fitted it won't look so bad. So I've built the other two brackets now. Here's one and the other one's up there. I'm just going to put them up as I did there. Going to have two in the front of the panel, one at the back. I'm going to have to take off that TV aerial. Yeah, and that's going to get moved to the front on the other side. The two screws at the bottom are holding the plates, and the top two are the connectors going into the unistrut. They hold the plate to the unistrut, as you can see here. The awning is held in place by the bolt at the top of the bracket. This pushes the awning into a channel on the bracket, clamping it into place. Now that I've got the brackets roughly fitted, but they're still loose, I've put a bit of string on there now between all three, and it's going to act as a level, so I'm going to then level them up and then fasten them as much as I can. You okay to try
Can you hold it like this, then I can stand? Yeah, hold it. Okay.
Can you hold that?
I'm not too sure now. Yeah, I can hold it. Now you are careful now. And then, you sure? You sure? Sure? Are you sure? And I'm not that tall. Oh my god, I'm nervous now. Do you wanna come this side?
It's whether that's gonna fall.
When you come there, I will try to go there and hold it. You hold that, I'll go that way. Not now. Still I'm going up. Okay. So I can just like hold like this. Yes, all good, Andy. All good.
It was a bit tricky getting this in. So the trouble that we had was just getting that back lip into the awning. It didn't look like it wanted to go in, and I thought I put it in the wrong way around. The awning's a little bit high, but that's all good. But that's now fitted. Maybe we could chop off those big bolts with a hacksaw.
No, it's fine.
So with the awning, we have a little screw, when I can see it, here, which just pushes against the awning to keep it in place. That's terrible filming, so I'm trying to do this one-handed up a ladder. As I said before, the awning itself was mounted to the unistrut because we had already fitted the solar panels using the unistrut. The awning itself was a bit of an afterthought in our case, and this is why it's mounted so high. So these fittings here will just go onto the side of the van. We're probably going to have to put it here.
It can go more, isn't it?
It can do, but what I'm going to say is putting that there.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Sits behind the wall. That sits there.
And then black pink.
So that sits like that apparently. And then we just need to make sure that's nice and level. Does that look level?
Mm. You tighten it up and it's not tight. You can see that.
Do it by hand. It's tight.
Really don't like any hole in the van. It makes me feel cringe. It's all good now. So, okay.
That's out now.
The seagulls are very noisy.
That's your awning out. Right.
Hmm?
That's your awning fully out.
Fully, completely out, is
Yeah,
it?
you can see it's not one roller.
Yeah. Nice. It's lovely.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions you have, we'd be happy to answer.